Hi, how are you all doing?
Hi.
All right, so just want to sit down here. So you all are here for mediation today. So if you take the mediation route, you almost, unless you really have to, you really don't have to go to court at all. And I personally, and I mean, being an attorney, you may not hear a lot of attorneys say this, but I'm just very transparent. I would personally like to see more people take advantage of mediation because it is so much more cost effective and it allows you to come to an agreement that benefits your particular situation. So, what do we have?
You want to start?
Yeah.
Your idea.
Yeah, that's true. 2 teenage kids, Robbie and Rachel, and
How old are Robbie and Rachel?
12 and 14. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. 12 and
And
14 years
we've
old.
been
Yeah, it's just time to, I guess, legalize a piece of paper type of thing.
formalize everything because what we've been doing actually works, believe it or not. And
Well, that's good.
yeah, I mean it's pretty civilized and amicable. It's just nothing formal and finalized. You know, in case something happens to either one of us, we want something in writing.
Okay.
Ideally, today I'd like to see no one pay child support to each other, and we have the 1 week on, 1 week off where the kids, it's got to be in their best interest ultimately so that we can just have things be really smooth and calm with our family so that today doesn't create this big, drama or tension. It's almost like a hiccup and we just continue to move on like we've been doing so well, right? Yeah, it's working.
The good thing is you've worked out the hard part of it. So you said you do a 50-50. So are you all doing like a full week with one, full week with the other?
Yes.
Okay, great,
Yeah.
great.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's pretty typical, isn't it?
For the most part, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So have you all discussed child support with that type of schedule?
Well, salaries are pretty close.
Similar.
Pretty
so
close.
we
Maria
don't-
makes a little more, but so we're figured.
How
we're
close
doing
are they?
50-50 on housing, so we figured, well, why exchange money back and forth if we're pretty much 50-50 on time with the kids and.
Our salaries are close. I make
How
55,
close are those? Okay, 55.
and he makes
And
52.
52.
Oh yeah,
now.
that is pretty close.
Yeah, so why
yeah.
are we exchanging money if there's no real
Yeah,
gap in our salary? So we
Okay.
figured out something that
Stuff with kids, the extra stuff, we split it.
Split the
and-
extracurricular?
Yeah.
Okay. What extracurricular activities are they in right now?
well, the son is in sports and the girl is a cheerleader. So
Okay.
there's money related to both things, and
Yeah.
I kind of pay for the girl
Uniforms.
stuff, and
Jesus.
he pays for the boy stuff, and somehow it just works out because we got tired of fighting. Quite frankly, it just all of our friends going through the divorces, they go at war with each other, and their lives are traumatic and so much drama and tension.
Don't need to do that.
We don't need that.
Okay. Well, that is very, very great that you all have come to an agreement and you're able to co-parent and work together because that only helps, with your children. That they need to see you all have a healthy relationship. Okay? So you guys you're agreeing to not have either party pay child support, right?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. It's
No
plus
child support.
we want what's in the best interest of the children, and if one of us pays the other, then it doesn't look like it's fair in their minds. If they see
Right.
us working together as a unified front, then they can see by example that things can be worked out without fighting all the time.
Okay. That's a good way to look at it. So let me just run back over your agreement just to make sure that I type it out right. Okay.
Yeah.
So you all are agreeing to a week on, week off schedule.
My ex, she's a nice person. We had a lot of good times in the years, but things just kind of just drifted apart. Happens a lot. My ideal solution in this mediation is pretty much, again, just to be fair for everybody. No hurt feelings this way.
You all are splitting the extracurricular activities that the children are in.
Right.
I'll just leave that splitting. You all can, you said you were doing the cheer for your daughter and you're doing it for your son. However you work that out, that's fine. I'll just leave it generic. You just split it. And then no child support paid by either person.
Right.
Okay,
right.
Is that an accurate depiction of the full agreement?
Yeah.
Pretty clear.
Great. So what I'm going to do, I'll leave you all here, and I'll go draft out the mediated settlement agreement. Now, neither of you can later, turn around and say, hey, I'm not going to agree to that. It's an irrevocable agreement, okay?
Okay.
So once the judge signs it, that's pretty much your order, okay?
Okay.
All right?
Final.
Yes, it's final. Okay. Well, thank you all.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
Final.
Well,
Is that your final answer? Kind of thing.
yeah.
Yeah.
That was easier than I thought.
Yeah, quick and easy, but expensive.
Yeah, well, one shot, something like that.
Yeah, it's not like we're going to come back and do this again. It's like
Yeah,
just get it over with, done and over.
Yeah, when we get to the college part, okay, that's different.
Yeah.
But, for now.
This will do for the next 5 years till we empty our empty nest.